Okay, the line FG is a diameter of circle C, center C, where F and G are -2 and 5 and 2, 9 respectively. Okay, the line L passes through C and it's perpendicular to FJ. Find the equation of L. Alright, so it's in this type of question, it's better to draw a sketch what is going on. Okay, so we can draw like indicate like where are these two coordinates. Okay, so now let's say the -2, 5 is here, and we can say 2, 9 is roughly there. Okay, and here is a circle. Okay, not an accurate figure there. Okay, and here's a center, say, and this is a diameter. Okay, so whenever there's a diameter, it passes through the center. Okay, so if you see a circle, we draw it, the diameter, it passes through the center. Okay, that you should know it. Okay, now this F and J, okay, are the diameter. Okay, all right, and the line L passes through C. Okay, it passes through C. Okay, we don't know how, and it is perpendicular. Whenever the perpendicular is there, it is going to pass through the 90 degree. Okay, it is going to be a perpendicular line. So perpendicular is going to be like this, passing through C, like that, and that is a line L. Alright, so this is for 7 marks. Okay, although it's a textbook question, and they are asking for the equation of L. Quite tricky. We can't just find the equation of L. Yeah, here, to find the equation of L, we need a gradient. We need M. Okay, all right, so in order to find the gradient, okay, M, first we need to find the gradient of these. And if we can use the gradient of these, we can use the fact that the line L is going to be perpendicular to FG. So we find the reciprocal gradient. You should know this from pure 1. Okay, what else? We need a point to find the y-intercepts. Yeah, and how we can do that? Well, it is passing through the center. If it is passing through the center and the diameter is FG, the point C is going to be the midpoint. And midpoint formula you should know is 6x1 plus x2, okay, over 2 times y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, and gradient formula, okay, you should know is y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1 is equal to m. All right, now so what else? Now in order to find the equation of the line, you should know this. M is equal to x minus x1, and I'm going to use this information. All right, so I'm going to find the gradient of this line. Okay, 2, 9, x1, y1, x2, y2, 9 minus 5 over 2 minus 2. Okay, 9 minus 5, okay, divide by 2 minus 2 is just going to be 1. Okay, and that is the FG gradient. Okay, FG gradient. Okay, so that means using the fact that the line L is perpendicular FG, that is going to be negative reciprocal of this, so ML is going to be -1. Okay, we need the midpoint, so we can find the y-intercept, the equation of the line. We can use that by pointing point C, because it passes, the line L passes through C. So in order to find C, we use midpoint formula. Okay, so okay, so this is going to be -2 plus 2 divided by 2, 9 plus 5 over 2. Okay, so minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is just 0, and 9 plus 5 divided by 2 is just 7. Okay, now we use this formula over here. We know this is 0 and 7. We know that the ml of the gradient of the perpendicular, the L, the line L is minus 1. So we can substitute this and that to this equation, okay? So y minus the 7 is equal to minus 1 over m is equal to 7, okay? Minus 7. So this is 0, okay? X and y, okay? Y minus 7, this is x, okay? Minus x, and this is going to be y is equal to minus x plus 7. That is our final answer, okay? Just take this 0 and 7, put this into formula, okay? Rearrange in form of y is equal to mx plus c, or you can do ax plus bx plus y plus c by, okay, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, okay? This is final answer.